people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh.
Got the Highlifter bracket lift installed, wheel spacers, 30-inch BKTs on 570 SP. And I've got the same lift, and I've had it for a few years, and these are only 28s and these are 30s, and I'm thinking about upgrading. Continued frustration on this build, and I can't even get to the parts right now. Guess I need to grease it. So they go. He got me some hand guards to put on here, and I'm not gonna take them out of the bag, so you know they would look good, you know, the red against the black and all that, but he didn't get me any hardware for it, so yay. Freaking lug nut back, so we had a little fun. He took it to the tire shop and they crossed through, as you can see, they crossed, if it'll focus. So cross threaded the bolt, you know, hung it up, and then ended up stripping out the inside of the hub, so it was just free spinning. I thought it was loose at first. Well, yeah, then I had to take it off and drill it out and all that fun stuff. And I can't remember which side. As you see, I donated a lug nut, and so he got the Badland ZXR 2,500 pound winch. His mounting plate did not show up yet, and he has got the mounting bolts in the middle of the spool there. So what I was gonna do, I'm gonna rob another part off of mine, you know, because just to get the customer out, get the customer happy. So, but my plate has a big hole right where the bolts need to go. You know, the bolts need to go right here. Well, I've got a hole, so mine won't work. So he's not getting a winch installed. But the cool thing about this the Badland, you see, I like how this is all enclosed, all wired up. All you gotta do is hook to the battery, to the winch. I'm assuming battery. Yeah. Oh, to winch, to battery, to battery. Okay, I was like, I know there's got to be one more. Oh, it's with my fancy little, well, not mine, but a remote. Hopefully he don't lose that, because, but yeah, so you push it, hold it 3 seconds, it turns on, you know, extend, retract, which is not going to work right now, obviously, but, and then you push it to hold it, to turn it off. And it also comes with a you know, just a regular remote, corded remote. It's really cool. And it comes with a, I mean, it doesn't come with a shackle, you know, but East Off-Road Halos. I tried to get Far Mudding to get Halo, but apparently they quit making the just the standard Halos, and they have the color changing or color ward, whatever, chasing, I don't know. So I'm gonna try out East Off-Road Halos. You know, didn't film me installing the winch, had a few little issues. Like I said, the hub, I don't know what side it was now. I had the bike turned, no, I had the bike straight in, so it was one of these, and then I shimmed it, kind of took 2 pieces of a staple and, you know, just kind of shoved it in there, and then shoved the bolt in there, it'll hold for a little bit. It's not permanent, but you know, I almost stole the hub off of mine, but I got that to work, so I could keep 3 wheels on mine, or 4 wheels on mine right now. So another thing, the wheel spacers. I don't know why I don't record all this stuff. So the wheel spacers I actually bought from Woody, you know, and but I had to use my brand new lug nuts, black, pretty, not scratched. So you know, I got those. So these are the 3/8 24, and then the M12 125. So it'll be all right. That works. You know, still the 4-156. Just a little bit of getting it done. So, all right. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. All right. This is stupid. This 3M VHB crap they use on the back of this. Yeah, you can see it's a clear. Whoa, you really can't see, but so anyways, this one wasn't bad. Peeled off like it's supposed to. This one, all this stuff just wanted to come off. It's like they didn't prep this surface. I mean, this surface feels really slick, but so I'm hoping this don't fall off. And it's stupid, frustrating, very, very frustrating. So I mean, it sticks to me, but it just doesn't want to stick to. See, it just looks like it's frustrating. All right, I'm gonna stick it on here. Well, I'm sure y'all seen halos installed before. You should install halos with two hands. So I run my wires through there, and then just kind of once it touches, it's done. And just stick it to, hold on one second, and then just go around. Oh, I was like, why is it wet? I cleaned the lens. And so it comes with, here's all the wiring and stuff, and there's your something. See why they, I don't know. The directions are actually really good. And there's your switch and stuff, and then they're calling it inverter box. So I'm not turning my fan off, but I'll turn it down to talk to you guys. So there she is. And just, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, and I run this wire. See, here's it. So I cut the old ones off, and I'll just put new ones. So that way it looks cleaner. You don't have, like, you know, a wire tie or a zip tie, and then another zip tie. So I just like to cut them off so it looks cleaner, then run it through. That's the only place that don't really look clean, but you don't really have a choice there. But and everything else is run. I guess I could have showed y'all. Everything else is run under here. There's a, I just tapped it into the hot and the negative, but y'all can get over that. Ooh. My switch is kind of going bad. You got to kind of finger it or to get it to work right, but I'm bad about leaving mine out and not washing mine, so